Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the 6th edition of the Crypto World News Daily Podcast, Daily Show. I'm your humble host, Elliot. Thank you for joining us live on Twitch. We got some viewers in the audience. What's going on? Say what's up if you're there. Josh, we see you. DeLorean, Lycan Master, Going Paper, Elliot, that's me. How's everybody doing? Hope you are doing great today. Today is January 5th, Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Bitcoin trading at $32,663 currently. And on today's show, we're going to be talking about some news, Bitcoin articles. We're going to look at our trade that we opened yesterday. We opened a live trade. We're going to continue to do this every day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern is the goal. Live on Twitch, twitch.tv/Crypto World News. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate all of the support. If you have not already joined our Discord, click the link down below. It's only going to be free for a little bit longer, maybe like another week or so. I don't know, then I might charge like $1 or something. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, take it seriously. People who are taking the time to get educated now before the real FOMO kicks in are the ones who are going to be rewarded. So thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.
iPhone 5 is the thinnest iPhone we've ever built. To achieve a design this tall, we had to look at a complete redesign of the internal architecture. It's 18% thinner and 795% taller than the previous iPhone.
It makes everything you do on iPhone 5 feel easier, and just a move of your arm away. No more hidden menus, no confusing gestures. Everything is right at your fingertips.
The panorama feature is simply awesome. The Ultra HD widescreen display lets you get your entire shot in a single snap. You can also use your iPhone 5's innovative design for image stabilization.
With an iPhone this tall, reception has never been better. You'll enjoy crystal clear clarity on even the longest calls. And of course, all your favorite apps are still available. In fact, you'll find your old favorites also benefit from the new experience-enhancing Ultra HD widescreen. We found that while many previous iPhone owners were using FaceTime, they weren't using it for their faces. That's why we're introducing Body Time. Using an iPhone 5's Ultra HD widescreen display, Body Time lets you see a person's entire body, allowing you to detect mannerisms and defects like never before.
We looked way beyond what we saw as expected. It took all of our learning, all of our thinking, to realize something so simple, so clear, and yet so tall.
iPhone 5. The tallest thing to happen to iPhone since
iPhone 5. The only iPhone that I'll ever buy. And we're back. Thanks for sticking with us through that commercial break. We are going to be looking at some Bitcoin. First and foremost, if you have any questions in the chat, please let me know down below. I'd love to get to those, love to answer those. If you are new to cryptocurrency, oh, no audio. We might be having a technical difficulty. It looks like there's audio. You guys have audio on your end? Difficulty. Okay, sweet. Sorry about that. These are live shows, so that's why there can be hiccups at times. But we are going to go back to it because we press on. Bitcoin, here we go. Looking at the Bitcoin. Thanks for sticking with us. Looking at the 4-hour chart, BTC. What have we been doing? What's going on here? What are we looking at? I would like to see some volume, but this 4-hour candle right here, this 4-hour down candle is the highest volume that we've seen almost this year. The highest sell volume. I believe there's a similar sell volume somewhere around 8K is a little bit higher, but this is pretty high. So I'd like to see how what the play out of this sell volume means, because this was a lot of people. This was a lot of money. So typically what happens is There is a market hype, FOMO, whatever. People who bought. I'm not going to give you my like prediction because obviously everything's subject to change, and this is my opinion. And I'm not saying it's going to go down or it's going to go up. So don't take that as financial advice. But your job as a trader should be not to try and decide whether, in my opinion, the market's going to go up or down, but try and decide what you believe that the emotions of the people trading the market are going to be doing. So I know there was people interested in buying Bitcoin. There's probably going to be another opportunity for them to buy Bitcoin. And then I'd really like to see kind of what happens at that opportunity, because then if we get rejected again, then that's kind of a confirmation for a little bit lower levels, what we were thinking about in our trade. Let's take it to chat really quick before if there's any questions. BitMEX got liquidated. No audio for the commercial break. I will, the next one should have audio. $60 million candle. Yep. A lot of liquidations came through. Appreciate the comments in chat. Keep them up. ETH trading at 2% on the day, $1,064. If we look at the ETH weekly, I'm sorry, not weekly. The Ethereum 4-hour, this was our last candle close resistance right here, 10,058, which we successfully broke up and above that. This being, is this all-time highs? ETH, USD. ETH's kind of the main topic today, so I just want to see. Okay, so we do have a little bit of data back here. 10.1. We're not in all-time high. Ugh, come on, give me that data. Give me that data. There's 3 things that you need to chart. First of all, you need to actually have a chart. So you should get a TradingView account. Exclamation mark TradingView in the chat. It'll bring up a link. It's free. You can pull up NASDAQ, gold, oil. You can pull up pretty much anything. So, okay, daily. Where were we? I really wanted to see this in the 4-hour. So if I can... it's not going to let me. Wait. No, it's going to be a pain. Okay. We're going to keep this smooth. Anyways, I believe that we are in a very interesting territory. Wait, here we go. We might have it here. 4-hour. What the... It's okay. Whoosah. Okay, anyways, so we are in potential price discovery breakout territory for Ethereum. Want to look at the daily, like to get above or close above like 1100, 1120. Close above there. I mean, we're just, everything, this is pretty much insignificant. Any levels that are here. So in my opinion, this is our last major level, these dailies. There's probably a weekly level like right in here as well. So if we were to get up pretty much past this point, we're just going to go into whatever price discovery is. So I don't know. But we can actually pull a quick fib on that. Show you how to do that. It's pretty cool. What we'll do is we will go top to bottom all time. This tool right here, fib retracement. We're going to go candle bodies. I'd love to help you if you are new to this. Candle body top right there. Smack that. What's our bottom? Nope. Our bottom's like $79. Yeah. 2.3K ETH on breakout. So that's looking great. Why are people very keen on XRP right now? Based on the news I've seen, wouldn't you think it would be in a downwards trend? We are going to go over XRP after this quick commercial break. Thanks for sticking with us, and I hope this one has audio. I'm slack today. Shush.
Hey, it's Steve here, and I got a big surprise. Here we go, folks. It's paper towels. Put your hand on it. Wipe it around. Look at how strong. You can't even rip. It rips if you pull a little bit too hard. Look at this. Take it down. Put it on the table. Rips again. No big deal. Stick it in the water. Look at that. Look at that. It just soaks up all the water. They're perforated. They come right apart. Crumple it into a ball. Throw it up in the air. It comes right back down. Holy shit. I spilled soy sauce all over the place. Oh shit. I spilled it all over the table. You can do this. Look at that. It's wet. Now you get a wet paper towel. Unroll it, rip it off. You pull it up, barely even a stain. You can't even notice it. Rip it once more, and then again. Now you just got a crap load of squares. Look at all these squares. Put this in a frame, give it to your mom for Mother's Day. Oh my gosh, you spilled some water? No, not anymore. Paper towels. It's a kite. Put a string on it, fly it, it's a kite. Paper towels, it's easy. Look how long that is. It covers your whole hand. You can tie it in a knot. It's still there. Table's clean, kind of. Hey, you can call for your friends. Hey friends, come over, I got paper towels. If you got two, fold this in half, put it in your pocket, save it for later. This one, boom. This is for the car, the house, your backpack. Turn it around, put it on your face. You know how many friends I make when I do this? 1 million. You gotta be kidding me. Paper towels. You be saying, I got a good grade in my test I have best friends. Paper towels.
Paper towels are only sold in stores. Call now.
Hey.
Oh, great. And we're back. Thank you for sticking with us through that commercial break. It looks like the people on Twitch didn't get the audio, but now I'm going to incentivize you to watch the replay later on YouTube so you can listen to the commercials because they're great. Let's hop into some news. Where are we on the daily? We've got a little bit of news here talking about crypto adoption, and especially in terms of like governments taking notice with more centralized digital currencies coming into effect. The first article we're going to talk about today is a NASDAQ article, NASDAQ BTC bullish article. The bulls on parade. Make sure you can hear, you can see. Yep. I'm still getting new to this. This is my 6th stream, so I appreciate all the support as I'm learning and I'm getting better each time, growing. NASDAQ trade company bought to buy $10 million in Bitcoin. So publicly traded company announced plan to buy $100 million Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, Green Pro Capital, NASDAQ, ticker GRNQ. Interesting. That's good. I like that news, and I cannot lie. By the way, if you want to check out all of these news articles, I'm going to post them down below. If you want to check them out yourself, watch for the upload on YouTube and click the link down below. Let's go over some XRP really quick. I heard people talking about XRP FUD. I don't even want to go over the XRP news that I'm seeing right now because it's such propaganda, in my opinion. So I'm not saying that XRP is a safe investment for the future, but me personally, as an XRP investor, a pretty new XRP investor. If you watch my previous streams, we've kind of gone over what our expectation is. This pattern, we were right here. It's got to play out a little bit longer. We'll probably go a little bit lower, not 23 sats, but we could see 10 cent, 15 cent XRP, and we're currently sitting at 22 cents. Not to say that we will go down that low, but it is possible, and if we do, you bet your ass I'm going to be buying. The more these institutions release all these news articles about FUD on XRP, the more I want XRP. So I think it's a good hold. I think it's a good coin for the future. If you have any questions about XRP, briefly look at chat. Okay, no questions about XRP. If I was to trade it, I wouldn't. If I was to trade it, I might look to long here and take profit at like 38 cents. being a failure to make a lower low, but this is a risky trade. My opinion is it's probably going to play out a little bit lower, and because all these news articles coming out right now, people dropping their everything, whatever. No one cares anymore. No one cares anymore. So don't do your own research. I would suggest. XRP. Yeah, I bought it today, hoping for the best. I think you're going to do fantastic if you look back in 2 years. If you look back in 2 weeks and we're at 9 cents or 10 cents, maybe double down and get some more would be my suggestion. I seriously have a hard time thinking that XRP is going to zero. That's just my opinion. People who say that there's no grounds, there's nothing backing what they're saying. They're just spreading FUD. All right, no further comments, questions. Move on to our last news article of the day, and then we're going to be looking at our live trade, looking at some altcoins, and then lastly, take suggestions from you, the audience. Thanks for sticking with us here live on Twitch. U.S. banking regulators confirms banks can use blockchain and stablecoins for payments. More adoption news. We know you guys want our crypto. Now you want to dip your hands in it. Banks. The OCC Bureau, U.S. Department of the Treasury, said the Banks and Federal Savings Association can use stablecoins and independent node verification network, INVINs, otherwise known as blockchain network, to perform payment activities and perform permissible bank functions. Gosh, that makes so much sense. Swift payments no longer take 5 days and require 10% transaction fees. Great for crypto, OTC deals, just more mass adoption news, really. There's nothing negative about that. Is our last news article. We'll be right back after these brief messages. Seems like there's not going to be any audio. If you want to get the audio, you're going to have to watch the video later on YouTube. Thanks for watching.
GLH stands for Gravy Loving Hose, great looking hair. GLH has a patented hair rejuvenating formula that allows new hair to sprout instantly. Anyone can use GLH, men, women, or in this case troll, it doesn't matter. Here we found a Hispanic man who has fallen asleep in public. Now he'll wake up and have no idea what happened. Looking good, Jesus. Wow.
My wife always told me that if I had a full head of hair, she'd start sleeping with me again. Yeah, but she just won't.
What the hell's going on over here? I mean, yeah, it looks like you just spray painted the back of my head and then you brushed it up all nice. But, what about the front?
Hey, what's going on? I used to be just like you. I was all party in the back and no business on top. But now, the business is back. And then I told that bitch, if you ever tell anybody that I'm balding, I will have to kill you. We sprayed this old hag while she was asleep.
What's this all about? Ugh. It smells terrible and it burns like crazy.
And don't even try to wash away that dookie brown, cause it's permanent.
I thought GLH stood for Get Lost Hemorrhoids, but boy was I wrong. When I look in the mirror, a man looks back at me and says, Yo quiero chingar.
My word, Thaddeus,
Yeah,
you are quite the looker. And a full head of hair, swag me out. Where all the white women at? Holler at me.
Djibouti dubs. I should have been doing that the whole time. You guys don't
Djibouti
have
dubs.
audio on Twitch. All right, we are back. Thanks for sticking with us. Live on Twitch, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. We're looking at our live trade here. We're trading on Prime XBT. If you want to trade, this is a platform that we're using. I'll drop a link down below to this platform. It's a pretty unique platform. Let's do some turbos. I think I want to do 10 turbos a day and just see how I can do with it. BTC. We're just gonna do like some 10 minute or a 1 minute turbo. Okay, here we go. This is super degen mode. Okay, we're just going to sell. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll wait because we're probably going to bump up. 9. There we go. 10. Oh my gosh. So we have 0.1 Bitcoin on the table in our demo balance. 1 minute binary option. We're betting if it goes up or down. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment, education purposes only. If you want to lose your money, this would be the quickest way. So far, it looks like we're going to be 0 for 10 on our 1 minute binary up and downs. We'll do 10 more tomorrow. Probably should have waited. A little bit more patience would have paid off, like right there. Maybe I should have just gone up. It's okay. Can't win them all. All right, we'll come back to this tomorrow. Let's go to our trade. We are in a short. We sold 0.01 on stream, and then later I entered into the position a little bit heavier. We're at 0.04 is our size. Fill price 31.36. Current price 32.46. Unrealized PNL negative 44 USD. Our total remaining margin is $103. And we are going to let this ride. So if we break up on all-time highs, we'll probably close. But I fully anticipate this to be a profitable trade. I have no reason to pull out of this trade. We can look at the SPY really quick. Is there any incentive to trade the SPY? Nope, nothing looks good for me right here. NASDAQ. Nope, nothing looks good for me right here. I don't have the ability. Crude oil. Oil looks kind of good. But we're just going to keep our one trade for now. If I get liquidated and I lose my entire account, I'll fund another one next week. The goal isn't to this is going to be risky if I'm trying to go from $100 to 60 grand or 2 Bitcoin. That's our goal. 2 months, that's our time frame. We'll see how we do, how many accounts we need to blow up. I think we're going to be fine in this one. Ideally, there are some things that you want to consider that we didn't yesterday. I rewatched the stream and I noticed I entered into a market position by buying or selling. Order market type limit is what you want to do. Less fees. And you pick your price and you can set orders. Also, what we should have done yesterday, instead of impulsively us here getting into our trade, what we should have done is we were looking at the analysis, expecting that 34 retest. We should have been placing orders that then got filled. So just ideas on trading mistakes. I just was excited to get into trade on stream for you guys. So any questions from the audience? What are your thoughts on XLM? We'll go over XLM. Boo, boo, boo. Boo, boo, boo. Oh, I don't even have XLM on my ticker. XLM. Yeah, any altcoins, now's the time. Drop them in the chat. I'd love to take a look at them for you. XLM had some amazing fundamental news coming out yesterday. We talked about that. I believe it was Ukraine deciding to launch their digital currency on the XLM platform. XLM on the 15 minutes looks a little toppy. Could come back to 15 cents. 4 hours. Really, the 4 hour just needs to hold support. We just need to hold 19 cents in order for us to continue whatever this movement is here. If we break down on 17 cents, probably would expect lower. I mean, just this 15 minute looks pretty bearish to me. I would trade this as a short. Looking to close at 17.8 as an easy scalp, I guess you could call it. Just from what I'm seeing. Look at this hourly. Well, if this rejection when is this candle close? 35 minutes. We'll see. I'd really like for this to close about 19 cents, which looks like we're coming down now. That would form a nice candle chart pattern. XLM looks a very strong fundamentally, very strong fundamental long-term hold of mine, XLM. Let's look at, you know what I like to do first and foremost if you're new to trading? I like to look at the most data I can. So usually XLM, the most data if you can find, Poloniex has the most BTC data. I don't know about XLM. We can just look on maybe Binance. That's a lot. That's more. So when we're looking at these different time frames, look at that buy volume. Sheesh, that is sexy. Looking at these different time frames weekly, the higher the time frame, like if we were on the 1 minute and we're trying to chart and we're making levels based on what we see, those levels are going to be way less effective. I'm giving you like the broad, just than like monthly levels. Like this level right here, 22 cents is going to be much more, or is going to be a significant resistance. We got 2 monthly candle closes right here. 3, 4 debatably, 22 just above that. So looks like the monthly we need to close above 20 cents, and that would kind of give us our whatever our trajectory is. XLM looks pretty fantastic. Let's hop over to ADA. I love ADA, trading up 11% on the day. If you don't have any ADA, we've been talking about it. We've been shilling it. Shill it every day. ADA every day. 25%. Excellent staking coin. Why aren't you staking? 5%. If you had 1,000 coins, you'd be earning 50 XLM coins. What is it? 5%? Yeah. Yeah, 50 XLM coins a year, or 88 coins, sorry. Free. If you have coins, you can stake coins for more coins. Make money while you sleep. You'll never go wrong. ADA's first actual resistance profit target, 34 cents. Above that, 57 cents. Above that, 72 cents into weekly. 98 cents or a dollar, and then we're in price discovery territory. This looks very, very strong in 2021. Twitch side is paused. Oh. Darn it. Well, we are still, the live video today will be less buggy than the live stream. So I'm working through these kinks, and I'll make sure to fix the audio for the next one. And I appreciate the suggestions, by the way, like the ticker suggestion. Thanks for the follow. Who followed? Oh, I got to move that. Look at how off-centered that is. Crypto. I missed your name. All right. So we're not going to do anything with our trade today. We're going to keep our position open. Typically, if we were in a position of like a substantial position and we were to analyze, your risk analysis, you want to have a point where you're like, you want to pull out of your trade. This is the maximum risk that we're willing to take. But for this account, educational purpose, we're just going to, entertainment purpose, we're just going to let it ride. And we'll come back and look at this tomorrow. I don't have any closing thoughts. Is there any altcoins, any final altcoins to look at? Band is also another staking altcoin. Looks fantastic on the weekly. So much upwards potential room here. Next real resistance, $8.60. About $1, about $1 up. Easy trade. All these altcoins are seeing money. Oh, we didn't look at the market cap. Gosh, you guys. And we didn't do a DeFi project. I don't know. If you guys are interested in a DeFi of the day, I'll do one. If I don't hear anything in chat, we're just going to skip that today and wrap up with like a ending overall market analysis, sentiment, closing, leaving thoughts, and that'll be a show for today. Quick and easy. I like graph. What do you and I think it will be important. Okay. Let's take a look at graph. I believe the ticker is GRT. Yeah. Any particular exchange? We'll look at Binance. Oh, never mind. Coinbase. Very new coin. Not a whole lot of history. Very technically difficult. You're going to want to use fundamental analysis when investing in projects with very little to no price. What I'm doing on the screen is technical analysis based on what we've seen in the past to use to predict the future. But if we don't have any data to use, there's no way to. There's nothing here that I can really do. Besides, we can look at the fundamentals of GRT if that interests you. But it doesn't seem like it does. So, with that being said, overall market analysis, coin market cap, $886 billion cryptocurrency market, which is massive. Where were we last year? Less than 500 billion? 24-hour trading volume, 130 billion. BTC dominance still going down, 68%. BTC up 5% on the 24-hour trading at 32.50. ETH up 8% trading at $1,080. Tether is in third place, and XRP is fourth place, down 0.5%, 23 cents. Litecoin up 5%, trading at 155. Polkadot, another great coin that I would suggest holding, 6 cents or 6%, trading at $9.85. ADA up 20%, trading at 252, about to break out. Bitcoin Cash up 416, trading 5.5% up on the daily. Chain length up 11.06%, trading at 14.69. Little nervous about chain length SEC FUD. I'm not going to get out of it. If anything, all this FUD is just trying to get crypto holders to drop their coins. Catch me dropping my coins. We're going to leave our trade open for the day. Lastly, thank you all my viewers. Thank you everybody on Twitch. I appreciate your support, your comments, your feedback. If you would like to catch my next show live, catch me tomorrow, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. I am very, very grateful for the opportunity to educate those who are interested in educating themselves to become financially free, as I have found for myself, and I'm willing to educate you if you're willing to be educated for free. Maybe I should charge so that people will take me a little bit more seriously. I'm not sure. But anyways, that is the end of our show today. Hope you have a